Welcome to the CED webinar. My name is Leif Wickman. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps to register for the CED, update your user profile, and provide a short tour, if you will, through the primary pages of the CED and highlight resources and features that are available to you. Here's an overview of what we'll cover in the webinar. If you have any questions, I'll ask that you wait until the end of the webinar and we can go back to any portion of the presentation to address your questions. We'll start with registration and we'll finish with a tour of the CED, including the home page, help tab, frequently asked questions, other information about the CED, the interactive map, and your user home. Registration. You cannot access all the CED's features, including data entry, without registering for a user profile in the CED. I'll start with the steps required to register for a CED user profile. We have a two-step registration process to ensure that both the CED team as well as the agency or organization who are providing information knows who has access to and who is working with the information your agency or organization is providing so it remains secure. You'll start by providing a username unique to you and your profile, a password, and email. This is essentially to ensure you are who you say you are. We ask that you provide a current and valid email. Also, we would suggest you use the email tied to your agency or organization if you have one. You'll see the CED's main page. You'll see the option to register for the CED. Select Register for the CED. At this point, you'll see a field where you can add in a username, your email, and the password. Please keep in mind, we have requirements for password. Must be 10 characters in length, have one uppercase, lowercase, letter, and special character. After you supply that information, please remember to hit Submit Registration. Once you hit Submit Registration, a message will appear that says, you will receive an email to activate your account at the email address you provided. Please check your spam or junk folders in case the email is directed there. And subsequently, please be sure to list the CED as an acceptable email source. As I mentioned, you'll receive an email. You must follow the link provided to you to activate your account, after which you must complete your profile to complete your registration. If you do not complete your profile, the CED team cannot approve your profile. That is very important. If you do not complete the information in your profile, we can't approve you and give you access. The email that you will receive looks like this. After selecting the link included in that email, you should be brought back to your user profile page, where you can complete your profile by providing all the required information. You had already provided your name and email address. We then ask you for your phone number. Akin to your email address, we strongly suggest that you put your work phone number. Do not enter your personal phone number. After that, you'll select an agency, which will narrow down a list of offices for you to select from. After you've selected your agency and your office, you can select an approving official. The approving official are agency specific. If you do not see an approving official, or you do not see the person who you think should be your approving official, you can reach out to the CED team and we'll work with you to either get that person added into the list of available options or guide you to another solution. After selecting your agency, your office, and your approving official, we would like you to read the terms of agreement carefully as they have been updated. After you choose to accept or decline the terms of agreement, you have another option which is entitled User Access. In this step, you can grant access to any other registered CED user. After you grant that access to that person, they have the ability to access, view, and edit any records that you have entered. Again, that step is optional. You're not required to grant access to anyone. After you complete that information, you'll select Save Profile. This will save the information. You can then return to your user profile and select the option to email your approving official. The CED will then generate an email to your approving official, as you'll see here. Your approving official will then receive an email directing them to grant you access to CED data entry. The email will look like this. You can follow the same process to update your profile. You may need to update your profile to change your password, again, to contact your approving official, or update any other information you've entered in your profile. Next, we'll give you a quick overview and a site tour of the CED itself. We'll go through the home page, the help page, frequently asked questions, about CED, the interactive map, and the user CED home. When you visit the home page, you'll see several options, features, and other areas where you can visit, including registering for the CED, logging in and out, news and upcoming events, as well as accessing the interactive map and our decision support tool and data catalog library. The most popular features that we will host on this page are providing data, either through single record entry or batch upload. We will cover in depth how to provide data either through single record entry or through the batch upload method in separate subsequent webinars. Under the Help tab is where we will post documentation and guidance to help you use the CED. Information includes fact sheets containing a summary of the conservation efforts database, the CED user manual, and a quick start guide, both of which will walk you through how to use the CED in varying levels of details, as well as tools for the user, including how to add offices or approving officials if you didn't see yours in the drop-down options under your profile, as well as forms to report bugs and request access to our beta test environment where you can test features of the site without actually putting records into the system. The frequently asked questions page is again relatively self-explanatory. In addition to these webinars, we encourage users to consult the frequently asked questions and contact the CED team if you think additional questions should be added. We cover some of the same information here as we are in this webinar. The About CED page is where we provide some summary information about the current version of the CED, the mission of the CED, who is on the CED team, how to contact us, as well as if you're interested in developing a customized CED module for your state or agency's reporting needs. The interactive map is the newest feature added to the CED and allows users to query spatial and non-spatial efforts, as well as generate reports, including a downloadable PDF report. We'll go more into depth of the map and reporting features in a separate webinar. Lastly is the user's homepage. Under your CED homepage, you'll see again a bevy of options for you to choose from, including some of which that are on the headers, as well as things that are unique to you, like your user profile and your ability to view your own records. For more information, please visit us at conservationefforts.org. Thanks for using the CED.